Hey boys and girls, so now that we've learned all of our upper and lowercase letters, we're going to practice writing sentences. Please make sure we're practicing our handwriting so that you all know how to write in cursive so you're ready for 4th grade. That's one of the things that'll make your 4th grade teacher really happy, is if you know how to write in cursive. So my first sentence is, what is your favorite color? I'm going to write the word what. Is, oh goodness sakes. Good thing I have an eraser. Done that I think every single time. So when I go to start my I just turned it into an S. What is your favorite color? You need to make sure you write the answer to the question. Whoops, goodness. Cannot spell very well today. Or I should say write in cursive very well today. It's kind of hard to write in cursive on an iPad, just so you know. Favorite. Hopefully I spelled that right. Color is, oh, I did it again. I went to make my I and I just turned it into an S. Is teal. Okay, and of course you're going to write your own favorite color here, not mine, so you could write red, yellow, green, white, orange, blue. I'm sure I'm missing some colors. Whoops. So hopefully you will all be able to tell me what your favorite color is. I mean to do that. Black, pink, purple,